Right, we're back again, everyone. The first tile. This is a 15mm notch trowel. And it's the same thing. I do the same thing all the time. I never notch my walls. It's too messy. And the glue is always fresh when it hits the wall. Because in Queensland, more so, it's winter now, but more so in the summer, if you spread your wall, your glue is dry before the tile even hits it. It's skinned. It's what's called skinning glue. The tile on my boot. It's not a job to do in thongs. And there we go. Whooshka. Now that, people, will look bloody beautiful. My next one will line up with that line. I've got to mark my taps, and we'll open. So I'll come back to you shortly.